It boosted my confidence, this 8-week workshop in Zara Stars with Coach Leo Wong. It developed my acting abilities because I learned a lot of ways in dealing and in attacking and preparing for a character through Coach Leo in this 8-week workshop. So it helped me a lot in how to act well in front of the camera. I did learn new ways and tricks in how to prepare yourself. Every day I'm supported. Like, I can feel the warmth, I can feel the love of not only with the management and with Coach Leo, but also with my co-actors. It felt like a family. If you are determined to become an actor, a real good actor someday, or even just to boost your confidence through your work, or you just need some confidence booster, I believe you need to enroll in this workshop, the 8-day workshop for film screening, because it will not only you will gain confidence, but you can also actually gain how you deal with everyday life's struggles in a beautiful way. I really appreciate Coach Leo's dedication and giving us practical information and ideas in how to, move along in the business, in show business. Apart from acting techniques, those ideas and tips in how to be really an actor in show business here in Dubai or in Hollywood. So it really helps, and it molded me, and it made me ready in facing all my endeavors as a future actor.